Hello everyone, welcome again to learn English sentences. So today we learn most important English sentences with Hindi translation. So these sentences will help you to speak English fluently in your daily life English conversation and also in everyday situation. Okay? So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe my channel just over there and also give it a thumbs up and please share my video. Okay, so let's get going. और तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? And who are you going with? And who are you going with? मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है इसलिए टच में रहना. I might need you, that's why be in touch. I might need you, that's why be in touch. क्या तुम्हें अब भी बुरे सपने आ रहे हैं? Are you still having nightmares? Are you still having nightmares? मैं तुम्हारे साथ काफ़ी लंबे समय से हूँ. I have been with you for a long time. I have been with you for a long time. क्या हाल ही में तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हुआ? Did something happen to you recently? Did something happen to you recently? क्योंकि तुम किसी चीज़ को लेकर परेशान लगते हो. Because you seem to be worried about something. Because you seem to be worried about something. मैं यहाँ कुछ उम्मीदों के साथ आया था. I came here with certain expectations. I came here with certain expectations. लेकिन सच वो नहीं है जो तुम सुनना चाहते हो. But the truth is not what you want to hear. But the truth is not what you want to hear. मेरा भी उससे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting him too. I feel like meeting him too. काश मुझे भी उसके जैसा कोई मिल जाए. I wish I find someone like her too. I wish I find someone like her too. देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया हूँ. Look at what I got for you. Look at what I got for you. वो रोना बंद नहीं कर सका. He couldn't stop crying. He couldn't stop crying. तुम हर चीज़ इतने हल्के में कैसे ले सकते हो? How can you take everything so lightly? How can you take everything so lightly? लेकिन तेरे एग्ज़ाम्स तो अच्छे गए थे. But your exams went really well. But your exams went really well. मैंने हर मुमकिन चीज़ की थी. I did everything possible. I did everything possible. हर कोई मुझ पर हंस रहा है. Everyone must be laughing at me. Everyone must be laughing at me. और मैं अपने माता पिता कैसे करूँगा? और मैं अपने माता पिता को फेस कैसे करूँगा? And how will I face my parents? And how will I face my parents? अब तुम अपने पर बहुत ज़्यादा दबाव डाल रहे हो. Now you are just pressurizing yourself too much. Now you are just pressurizing yourself too much. मैं उसे सच में समझाने की कोशिश की थी. I really tried to make him understand. I really tried to make him understand. तुम्हें लगता है ये सब मेरी वजह से हुआ था. You think all of this has happened because of me. You think all of this has happened because of me. मैं तुम्हें कोई झूठा विश्वास नहीं दूंगा. I won't give you any false assurance. I won't give you any false assurance. अच्छा होगा तुम अब और इंतज़ार ना करो. You had better not wait any longer. You had better not wait any longer. उसके आने की बहुत कम संभावना है. She is the least likely to come. She is the least likely to come. मुझे नहीं पता वो कब वापस आएगी. I don't know when she will come back. I don't know when she will come back. मैं जानता हूँ वो मेरे लिए आएगी. I know she will come for me. I know she will come for me. तुम आज थोड़े नर्वस लग रहे हो. You seem a little nervous today. You seem a little nervous today. मैं ऐसी हालात में पहले भी रह चुका हूँ. I have been in this situation before. I have been in this situation before. हम सबको किसी न किसी दिन मरना ही है. We all have to die someday. We all have to die someday. मेरा यहाँ से बाहर निकलना ही सही होगा. I had better get out of here. I had better get out of here. क्या तुम्हें ये थोड़ा अजीब नहीं लगा? Didn't that seem a little odd to you? Didn't that seem a little odd to you? अब कहने को कुछ बचा ही नहीं. Now there's nothing left to say. Now there's nothing left to say. मुझे लगा था तुम दूसरों की तरह नहीं हो. I thought you are not like the others. I thought you are not like the others. मैं तुम्हारी चिंता समझता हूँ. I understand your concern. I understand your concern.